Then you go to school and get 6 grades. Get that all figured out. Oh, yeah. You are killing me.
You wanna hold this for me?
I'm watching you.
Wanna hold it for me? Just hold it until you're videoing.
Alright, go ahead. Ryan creating his concept art. Those are pretty bad. There you go, that's better.
You don't actually have to save it here unless you want to email it home.
Oh yeah, email it home, dude. Yeah. Whoops. Put your. There you go. There you go, buddy. You know what to do. What the heck? Huh, that was weird, dude. They got a little program in the back that screws with you. Hit it again. Hit it again. One more, back it up. There you go. It highlights it the first time and then it lets you do what you want after. Hit it, highlight it, and then hit it and then hit again. There you go.